Welcome back, my friends, to Nerd Chic. I'm super excited to share this with you guys because it's a really cool game that crosses over what I do in gaming with the Nerd Chic gaming channel and what I do in development as well as crypto. And so I want to introduce you guys to Axie Infinity. Now, if you're in the crypto world, you've heard a lot about this. Mostly folks from the Philippines and some other Asian countries and a little bit in the US, folks are getting into Axie Infinity because it's developed over there, and some of us who are starting to develop on it and beta test the app and everything, we're just getting vocal about it. I've been a part of it for a while, but I just decided to dive on in, game it, vlog it, and share it with you. So Axie Infinity, just real quick, is a really cool Pokemon-like game. You can see these things called Axies right here. They have different characteristics. You can see some of them are super expensive. And it's an actual pay-to-play or play and get paid game. Paid-to-play game kind of thing. And folks are doing this, and it's kind of like mining crypto NFTs and selling them in the market like Pokemon, almost like Pokemon cards. And there's adventures, and there's all kinds of battles and all kinds of cool stuff inside of it. I mean, it's really incredible game. I'm going to start vlogging a lot about it. So here's one of the Axies. You can see that it's going for 0.13 Ethereum. And you have to do that on the network, which I'll teach you about later. But they have different characteristics. This one's class is aquatic. There's the owner that's in the Ronin blockchain. The breed count is important. I'll explain in a later part of the gameplay. And then you got stats like health, speed, skill, morale. You got body parts on it that make it different variations of value based on rarity. So inside the NFT world, we've known about this kind of thing a lot because it's in a lot of the generated things like CryptoPunks and Polypunks and that kind of stuff. These things have different parts or different rarity pieces. It makes more rare, like ape or alien or, whatever, clown hair, that kind of thing. This has abilities. This one has swift escape, fish hook, risky fish, shoal star, shuriken, and then Nemo. It's just really cool stuff. There's the parents of it and the breed count, and here's the children off of those parents. Or the children off of this actual Axie. So that's that. On this video, I just want to introduce you to it. Later, I'll show you some of the gaming on the mobile app. But I want to show you what I've got. I want to reveal mine. So I've got mine in here, and I want to share them with you. I've gotten 4, and they're just now in egg form. And this one is the one I named Arc. This is Arc. I like using variations of Transformer names. That's just how I roll. So there's the 2 parents, and it's an egg. It's going to actually hatch in the next week. I think I'm 6 days away still. So that's Arc. We can't wait to see. I'll reveal what Arc is later. Here's Tron, and Tron is halfway there, so probably 7 days away. There's Tron's parents, and the Axie numbers there. And then you've got Neo. All of these are in-chain Axies. So these guys have in-chain been minted like NFTs. Oh, I can't get it to show. So let me see if I can get it to show. It looks like it's not going to show it. So I'll have to show it on a later one. I'll show you Neo later. But anyway, real quick, while I share this, I want to say that I'm going to show you as they hatch. I'm going to show you some of the gameplay. I'm going to share with you everything I do here. So what you're going to want to do is follow me on Nerd Chic and subscribe to me on Nerd Chic Gaming, both channels, because I'm going to play out different parts of this on either one. And I may even put some on Nerdizeum. We have 3 channels, Nerd Chic Gaming, and the Nerdizeum, because there's a collecting part of this that'll show up on Nerdizeum. There's a gaming part that I'll put on Nerd Chic Gaming, and then there's the NFT crypto part, because you're being paid to play. You're mining through creating NFTs, and you're able to resell them on the marketplace. I'll be sharing a lot of that, the crypto side, because it's very lucrative, and it's a new world of crypto, the gaming world. I'll share that on Nerd Chic and Ask the Nerd. Anyways, with that said, don't forget we got our website where all of it comes together at askthenerd.net, and our Reddit channel, which is the Nerdiverse. Come check us out there. Thanks for tuning in. This is just a real quick look at Axie Infinity. I cannot wait to share more very soon. You guys, check it out.